Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail sending errors. If Gmail is unable to send your emails, don't worry. This complete guide will walk you through several easy solutions to get everything working again. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you should do is make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes Gmail cannot send emails if your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is weak or disconnected. Try opening a few websites or reconnecting to your network before sending the email again. Next, double-check the email address you're sending to. Even a small typo in the recipient's address can cause Gmail to show a sending failed error. So carefully review the address and make sure everything is spelled correctly. Sometimes emails get stuck there and fail to send properly. If you see unsent emails, try resending them, or delete the stuck email and compose a new message instead. This usually fixes the issue quickly. If you're using a third-party email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, you should verify your SMTP server settings. Incorrect SMTP settings can prevent Gmail from sending emails. Make sure your SMTP server address is correct, the port number is properly configured, and authentication is enabled. Once you update the correct settings, try sending the email again. Some browser extensions or antivirus programs can block Gmail from sending emails. Temporarily disable browser extensions, ad blockers, firewall software, or antivirus protection. Then test Gmail again to see if the problem is solved. If none of these methods work, your Gmail account may have a deeper account-related issue. In that case, contact Google Support for further assistance. They can check your account status and help restore normal email sending functionality. And yeah, that's how you can fix Gmail sending failed errors. I hope this guide helped you solve the problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.